Hi, I am trying to restore this old Pokemon game I used to play all the time. I have not done a lot of progress, but I want to document how the game is behaving and the updates I am able to do on it. As you can see, the game itself is broken. There is no map, no startup screen with the save file, and literally everything else is broken. After working on it for a few days, I managed to get the map back up. Thankfully, it's intact and all the assets are still there. The start screen is also back and fully working with the save file option and the starter Pokemon screen. I've been trying to get the menus working first. As you can see, the Poke button, which lets the Pokemon out, fully works now. But there's a big problem with the Pokemon themselves. The models for each Pokemon are completely missing and gone. I am not an expert of how coding works, but I believe they were lost in the process of copying the game. If anyone knows anything about this, any help would be appreciated. For now, I will have to use different models from the asset store to test the game later on. The encounter mechanics are being worked on too, but without the Pokemon models, there is not a lot of progress I can do. Thank you for watching, and again, if you have any kind of knowledge with Roblox, more specifically the server storage, please message me.